Hello and welcome to this new video on how to use Instagram in PC like mobile phone. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to access your Instagram account or Instagram interface. And when you are able to access the Instagram interface, you just have to do a right click on that Instagram interface and a pop-up box will appear. Now you just have to scroll down to the bottom of the pop-up box and you will be able to see the inspect tab. So you just have to click on the inspect tab and you will be able to open or see the inspect section. And when you are inside the inspect section, you just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen. There will be an icon for you to change to the PC view or your mobile phone view. And when you have switched to the mobile phone view, you just have to look on the top left hand side of the screen and you will be able to see the dimension and you will be able to choose the different phones dimension. So you just have to choose the phone on the dimension that you are comfortable with, and when you have chosen it, you just have to click or hit that refresh button. And when you have clicked that refresh button, then you will be able to see the proper mobile view and use the Instagram on a PC like a mobile. So this is how to use Instagram in PC like a mobile. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.